In Turkey in 1870 there was a terrible fire in Pehra,
Para.
Pehra, a district of
District.
Istanbul.
District
District
of
of
Istanbul.
Istanbul, the city which is those days was called
Constantinople.
Constantinople. It spread
Constantinople.
Constantinople. It spread very. mm,
Quickly.
it's okay. It spread very quickly through the many wooden houses in that part of the city. The last property to be destroyed was the British embassy. In the following text, the British um,
Ambassador.
ambassador who lived in embassy with his life describes what happened on the terrible day 16th June 1870. The fire
Zainab,
at
what
Priya.
happened, Zainab? What happened? It is 6 June 1870. And in the second line, the word that is at the end, last word in second line of introduction, last word in second line is Constantinople. Constantinople. Okay. Now read paragraph 1.
The fire at Priya 1870. Paragraph 1. We were having lunch when I revised the report that fire had broken out in the
Suburb.
just suburb just half a mile away. I saw immediately
Yes.
that the wind was strong as mainly wooden buildings stood between the fire and us. I ordered for the iron windows shutters
Shutters.
to be closed.
Shutters.
Shutters
Shutters.
to be closed. My wife and daughter filled the baths
Baths.
with water.
Okay, thank you.
और टीचर एक और वो चैप्टर नंबर 3 का कॉपी वर्क कब करना है?
Zainab, you have to complete it till tomorrow. You have to complete all your work till tomorrow.
टीचर जो आपने हमें होमवर्क 2 में दी है वो तो है ही नहीं उसके अंदर चैप्टर नंबर 3 का वर्क.
I will send that later. In next homework, I will be sending that.
वो आपके स्कूल में नहीं करवाएंगी अब?
Yes, well, if school will be opened, then obviously you will be doing it in school.
Okay.
Okay. In first paragraph, it is told, British ambassador, he has written this and he's telling that during lunch, he was taking lunch with his wife and daughter. And during lunch, he received a report from embassy that fire had started. Fire had broken out, means fire had started in large city of town and it was half a mile away and wind was so strong that it was spreading it quickly. Because of wind, fire was spreading very quickly through wooden houses. And the place where he was It was near embassy, and there were many wooden houses, and across the wooden houses he could see the fire from his place. Okay, his place was embassy, and from embassy he could see the fire that was half a mile away. Okay, so the distance between he and fire was half a mile. He asked his wife and daughter to fill bathtub with water and close window shutters. Okay, what do you think? Why did he ask his wife and daughter to fill bathtub? Who will answer it? Manahed, would you like to answer it? Why did he ask his wife and daughter to fill bathtubs? Unmute your mic, Manahed, and please answer it. Yashad, unmute your mic and answer it. Why did he ask his wife and daughter to fill bathtub? Manahid and Yashad, why are you not unmuting your mics? Please unmute your mic. Anyone else? Marish, would you like to answer it? Yes, Marish, would you like to answer it? Please raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Umar Alvi, would you like to answer it? Why did that British ambassador ask his wife and daughter to fill bathtub with water? I'm asking the reason. Why did he ask? Okay, Marich. Unmute your mic.
Teacher, he asked because he wanted to bath.
Yes, because Aital, please tell me in chat box. Why did he ask his wife and daughter to fill bathtub with water?
Because
Marich, you because
he want to bath.
no. Think. Aital, please answer me in chat box. Because later on that water will be used to put out fire. If the fire reaches till embassy, then later on he it will be helpful to put out fire. Are you getting now? That's why water was collected in bathtub. Bathtubs were filled with water so that later on it will be used to put out the fire. Okay, so that's why he said to his wife and daughter to fill bathtubs with water. So here baths mean actually bathtub. Okay, who will read second paragraph? I'm going to read second paragraph. Zainab, you are so slow. Paragraph 2. Zainab, you will be reading later. Okay, let me read paragraph 2. We watched the fire. Flaming planks of wood from the burning houses were carried by the wind over the roofs of the houses, and started new fires. Residents were trapped in the houses in between. There was no escape for them. The wind was blowing with hurricane force, and flames soon reached the embassy. Okay, now the fire had reached the embassy. The glass of the window inside the iron shutters was red hot. The roof was soon ablaze, and I forced my wife and daughter to leave. Molten lead was pouring down two of the three staircases. We hurried down the third staircase and ran out safely into the garden. Okay, in second paragraph, he's saying that wooden houses were burning because the wind was blowing, and the great speed of wind was the cause to start new fire. So residents, the people who were living there, the people who were living in that area, they couldn't find the way to come out. It was difficult for them to find the way to come out. Flames of fire had reached the embassy. Glass windows, iron shutters were red hot because of fire flames. Lead. Lead had melted and it was falling down on stairs. So what is staircase? Staircase mean it is the meaning of it set of stairs and its surrounding walls. Walls alongside on the side of stairs. Set of stairs and its surrounding walls. On the side of stairs there are walls, surrounding walls. So that whole part is called staircase. It was falling down. Molten lead had melted. It was falling down on stairs, and he asked his wife and daughter to leave this place as soon as possible. Okay. Who is going to read paragraph 3? Please raise your hand. Okay, Zainab, you will be reading paragraph 3. Unmute your mic. Just a minute, let me unmute you. I can't find your name, Zainab. Okay.
Precious items of furniture, books, and pictures had been carried out too safely, but many of them were damaged, and some of them were very soon stolen
Hola.
the nearby Turkish
Symmetry.
cemetery. We could see poor homeless people under the trees holding small bundles, which was all they had managed to save from their homes. We could see that their safely were about to be buried and the horses inside were wild with fear. The old grey horse, however, remained calm, and
Calm.
he let all the other young horses out away from the fire.
Okay, thank you. So, the British ambassador in this third paragraph is telling that people were trying to save furniture, books, and pictures, but most of them had damaged. Most of them, it means most of the pictures, books, or furniture had damaged, but they were trying to save whatever is left. Whatever was left, they were trying to save. Because of fire, furniture, books, and pictures, some of them had damaged, and some of them which were left, people were trying to save them, and some of their things had been stolen. People took shelter in the Turkish graveyard. Cemetery is graveyard. So people took shelter in Turkish graveyard, and they were sitting there under the trees in Turkish graveyard, and they had been able to manage some things of their houses. So at that time, they were able to manage something of their houses, and they carried with them bundles. And what were in those bundles? They packed, they had packed few important things in those bundles. Whatever they managed to carry, so they packed those things and they brought those bundles with them in that cemetery, and they took shelter there. Okay, because only according to the people, that was the only safe place which was left. So they took shelter in Turkish cemetery. I'm going to read paragraph 4 because time is about over. The fire was a terrible tragedy, although it lasted only about 12 hours, means it continued for 12 hours. It spread with such a speed and ferocity that many hundreds of people died. So it was spreading so quickly that hundreds of people had died. And the fire was, this such kind of fire was a horrible incident for the writer. Many people were trapped by the fire as it spread to surrounding houses. Some people were caught in the houses because they couldn't find any way to come out of the houses. It was difficult for them to find any way to come out of the houses. So that's why they were trapped by the fire, and as it spread to surrounding houses. Others thought means some people thought they would be safe in stone houses. So the wooden houses were burning. So some people thought that there are stone houses and some people we will be saved there. But stone houses had also destroyed. They could not save themselves in stone houses because stone houses had also destroyed in fire. And thieves could be seen there. And many thieves also died as they stole possessions and valuables from burning houses. The thieves were also there, and some of the thieves had died when they were stealing precious items or goods or valuable things, precious things from burning houses. Then, at that time, thieves also died because of fire. And the paragraph in paragraph 5, it is told that it is about a woman. One woman rescued from the fire held a bundle in her arms. A woman was holding a bundle in her arms, and her feelings can only be imagined when she realized. Now, what did she realize? It is being told in next line that she was not holding her baby but the family silver. Actually, she was holding her baby. she was not holding her baby but the family's silver. So she was imagining this, that she was not holding her baby but the family's silver, which she had intended to throw. She decided to throw into the well in order to hide it from looters. And who are looters? Looters are people who steal goods. In her terror and confusion, because she was so afraid and she was also confused, and she was also holding her baby, but she thought that she was holding family silver. And in that confusion, in that fear, she threw her baby into the well instead of family silver. Okay. In last line, it is written, in her terror and confusion, she had thrown into the well not the family silver, but her baby. Why did she want to throw family silver into the well? Because she thought that this is a safe place, so she will be throwing family silver there. But actually, she was not holding family silver. She was holding her baby, and she was senseless at that time. She couldn't think about it. She was so confused. She was afraid because of fire. So instead of throwing family silver into the well, she threw her baby into the well. Okay. If you read last line again, then it's clear that she threw her baby into the well in her terror and confusion. Terror means fear, and confusion. She had thrown into the well not the family silver, but her baby. Okay. So people were also confused. People were also fearful because of this horrible incident, of this horrible fire. Okay. So it is an autobiography that is written by a British ambassador. And where did the fire start? Where did the fire break out? It break out in Para, and Para is a district of Istanbul. Students, if you want to ask something related to the chapter, you can ask me. Any question? Yes, Zainab. Unmute your mic.
इस चैप्टर का वर्क कब करना?
I will send in next week. I will, or if